Hi guys, happy Wednesday. It's middle of the week. Yay! Only 2 more days until we get out for Christmas. All right. So, we're going to continue to talk about measurement, okay? So, today we're going to talk about how tall somebody is. Height, okay? How tall you are. Okay? So, you need to go to page 659 in your math book. Page 659. Okay? All right, it looks like this. You see some chairs. Okay. Look at the chairs. Compare the heights of the two chairs. Use words taller than, shorter than, about the same height to describe the chairs. Draw around the taller chair. Draw an X on the shorter chair. So look at those chairs. Which one is taller, the first one or the second one? Which one's taller? The first one. Yes, so go circle that first one. Just like that. Now, then it says draw an X on the shorter chair. So which one's shorter? The second one. So let's draw an X on the second one. Just like that. So the first one is taller than the second one. The second one is shorter than the first one. Okay? All right, everybody turn the page to page 660. We're on page 660. Okay, careful on these guys, okay? Because they can be kind of tricky, okay? So here's what it wants you to do. Make a cube tower that is taller than the cube tower shown. So somebody give me a number. Well, let's do this first. How many blue cubes do we have? How many blue cubes do we have? We have 3, okay? So give me a number that's bigger than 3. Give me a number that's bigger than 3. 4, let's do 4, okay? You can do 5, you can do 6, you can do 7, you can do 8, okay? Just don't make it too big because it's got to fit in the square, okay? But let's just go ahead and do 4. So we're going to make it 1 bigger. Just like that. So how tall is it now? It's 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4 tall. Okay. Actually, you know what, guys? I'm going to redraw that. I'm going to draw it like this. Make it easier. Like that. Draw it like that. I think that's better. So you can see how it's taller. Okay, so we have 3 and then 4. Okay. All right, we got the orange one. Okay, how tall is the orange one? Go count it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So give me something that's bigger than 5. Don't go too big. Tell me a number that's bigger than 5. Let's add 1. So let's go 6. Okay, so go draw a cube train that is 6 tall. That's just 1 taller. Like that. See how it's taller than the orange one? See how this is taller than the blue one? Okay, we want to be taller, bigger. Okay. All right. Go ahead and scooch on over to page 661. Okay, let me switch these out and we'll do page 661. All right. All right, looks like this. We're on this page right here. Okay, you see some cube towers again. All right, page 661. Let's see what it wants us to do on this page. It's probably going to make us make them shorter, okay? Make a cube tower that is shorter than the cube tower shown. Draw and color the cube tower. Okay, so this time, guys, we got to go shorter, less. Okay, so how many tall is the yellow one? Go count the yellow one. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, give me a number that is less than 8. Okay, less than 8. It can be any number less than 8. Okay, let's do 4. Okay, let's do 4. So go draw 4 cubes to make a cube tower. All right, look. See how I did that? Guys, you can do 5, you can do 6, you can do 7, okay? I just gave you a number like 4, okay? As long as it's less than 8, okay, you're totally good. Okay, you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7, okay? All right. Let's look at the green one. How tall is the green one? You always have to count them first, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this is 7 this time. Give me a number that's less than 7. Okay, you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 because it has to be less than 7. Okay, let's do 2. Let's do 2. You can do 1, you can do 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Okay, all right, let's do 2. All right, here we go. The black one is shorter than the green one. The black one is shorter than the yellow one. Okay. All right, guys, flip over to 662. 662, and you're going to see some trees at the top, okay? Let's see what it wants us to do. Color the trees that are about the same height. Okay, so let's look at these trees. Which one of those trees are about the same height? They're about the same. That means equal. Okay, is it which two? Yeah, it's the first and the last one. They're about the same height. Okay, so go color the first and the last one. Go color in the first and the last one. All right. All right, colored in the first and the last one. Okay. All right, number 6. Choose the correct answer. Which container is taller? Which container is taller? All right. Is it the orange one or is it the blue one? Which one's taller? Yeah, it's the blue one. Okay, you can go bubble in or you can circle or you can do both. Okay. All right, guys. Great job. Great job. Okay, so this time we talked about height, okay? How tall somebody is, how short somebody is, okay? All right, we are going to switch over to science, okay? Before we do that, y'all need to do pages 663 and 664, okay? And don't forget to send me a picture so I know how you're doing, okay? Page 663 and 664. All right. All right, now we're going to switch over to science, okay? So we've been talking about our 5 senses, okay? And the only one we haven't talked about is taste, okay? Taste is one of our 5 senses, okay? How something tastes. Does it taste sour? Does it taste salty? Is it sweet? Is it hot? What is it? What does it taste like? Okay, so I have this activity that we're going to do, and we're going to talk about popcorn. Okay. All right. So when you're popping popcorn, what do you hear? What do you hear? You hear popping. You hear pop. Okay, you hear pop. I hear pop. What does it smell like? What does it smell like? Use your nose. Think about it. What does popcorn smell like? Smells like butter. Yeah, it smells like butter. Okay. What does it look like? It's white. Okay, it's white. Okay, it's white. Oh, what does it feel like? What does it feel like? It feels soft. Okay, it feels soft. And guys, if you want to use other words to describe this, you can. I'm just giving you ideas, okay? So if you like your popcorn a little bit darker or you like it burnt, some people like it burnt, you can put it looks black or gray on there, okay? Let's do taste. What does it taste like? When you bite into that popcorn, what does it taste like? It tastes salty, salty, salty. And like I said, if you want to use another word to describe how it tastes, you totally can. Just make sure and write all this stuff down and send it to me, okay? So, because I want to know how you're doing on your 5 senses, okay? All right. So there's my 5 senses using popcorn. Popcorn. All right, my kiddos. All right, my kiddos, that is it for today. I hope y'all have a good day, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye, guys.